Hello guys, this is Tech Savvy Omi, and in this video we will unbox the JJRC BLUE CRAB, which is a foldable one, folded in half. Okay, this is a normal packing. This is our drone. This is the branding over here, JJRC. In this side you will see the unfolded, and this is folded image. It have a 2 megapixel camera with HD. Wi-Fi. It is a Wi-Fi FPV and it is a 720p camera. Okay, so we will unbox this box. I'm using my cutter for that. Okay. And first of all, thanks to Mr. Devko sir for giving this drone for a review purpose. Hola, this is our drone. This is a LiPo battery charger where you can connect this to your USB charger. You can connect LiPo batteries over here. Okay. In box there is a user manual. Make sure you read it carefully. Keep them aside. It is a pin for removing the propellers from your drone, and this is our main unit. It is so small, I can place it on my hand. There is a power on button. There is the JJRC branding logo. This is a 2 megapixel and 720p camera over here. These are the propellers. This is the key. This is the battery compartment. You can remove your battery from here for charging purpose. I will show you how to remove it. Connect your battery here and connect to your USB charger or something, or USB or laptop. Okay. It is a 500 milliampere and 3.7 volt 20C, my mistake. Now we will connect this battery to drone one unit. Almost it takes 90 minutes to full charge, and it gives backup of around 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on your use. For that purpose, for flying, you will need the application which is called JJRC. You will get it on Play Store. This is the application for pairing your mobile and drone. First of all, on your drone with this button. Your drone is start. Now go to your Wi-Fi setting. And connect to the JJRC. Connected. Now go back to JJRC app. Connect. You can see the camera actual footage on drone. I hope you like this video. Keep watching my channel and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.